Hi guys, today we discuss about ILO OSH 2001. ILO OSH 2001 is ILO Safety and Health Management System. The following are the main elements of ILO OSH 2001. Number 1 is policy. In that part we discuss about plan. What is the main aims and objective of the organization? And the second part is organization, and what are the second part, who going to organize the policy, and number third is planning and implementation. That all are the part of PDCA cycle, plan do check act. And number third is evaluation. So we gonna check each aims and objectives are the organization is going to be achieved with 100% efficiency. And in that check part we also give an audit, so check it from internally within organization or external third-party certification body. And number 5th is action for improvement, that is connected to the part act. And further we are going to be achieved continual improvement within the organization. So we discuss these elements further in detail. What is policy? A clear statement has to be made, establish health and safety as a prime commitment. So in that part we considered health and safety as a prime commitment to management as at all levels of the organization, but particularly at the top of the organization. So while implementing a policy we focus on the top of the management. So top of the management, if top of the management do certain things with clear objectives, then further these targets will very much efficiently decline towards the bottom management. So second part is organizing. Organizing is also part of plan. A framework is a framework of roles and responsibilities of health and safety must be created within the organization from senior management down to the frontline workers who are operating a machine or who are working on some kind of machine with lower staff, including the appointment of special staff. So these two parts are in the plan phase. So these plannings are implemented as do phase. You know about PDCA cycle, plan do check act. In do phase we are planning and implementing these tasks. The detailed arrangement in this phase, we gonna detailed arrangement must be made for management of health and safety, and safety central to the idea of concept of risk management. We're gonna consider it as risk assessment the prime phase at identification and implementation of safe system of work and protective measures. So planning and implementation is also a critical part of ILO OSH 2001. And number 4th is evaluation. So we're gonna check what are these planning, policy and implementation going to be right or wrong. So evaluation is the most critical part. In that phase, method must be devised to monitor and review the effectiveness of the arrangement. So these arrangements we made are going to be in the right direction or we have to change something. This is done reactively or proactively. Reactively like fashion, reviewing after 1 month or 2 months. So that is very important. So sometimes reviewing inspection reports are made by the company or HSE officer in 1 month or 2 months. And number 5th is audit. Audit is also very critical path, critical important thing. Arrangements must be made for independent, systematic and critical examination of safe management system to ensure that all parts are working acceptably well. So we're gonna check these parts are systematic and critical examined, and these arrangements are independent without any burden from the higher top management. These audit check are independent, so I must consider that these are going to be third party certification audits, so they evaluate more mistakes within the organization. So PDCA cycle further for going for action for improvement. Some of the shortcomings that achieved in that cycle, any shortcomings identified by review process. Some of the review process, some mistakes are evaluated, must be corrected as soon as possible by making whatever adjustment as necessary. So these shortcomings are making adjustments. They are making fulfill these mistakes and organizations arrangement and for implementation. So number 6 is further part is continual improvement. The intention is that safe management system will not remain static. It is not static. Some of the mistakes are mistakes every time reviewing some of the ILO OSH management system. Some of the mistakes arises. So there is a need to continual improvement and develop over time a safe management system. So these are all elements within the PDCA cycle plan, do, check, act. So you have to know about ILO OSH 2001 health and safety management system. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel and follow my videos. I will upload relative health and safety material. Thank you. Thanks a lot.